Welcome to Mars Lens. Every picture from the red planet takes us a step closer to understanding its mysteries. Today, we're looking at an incredible image captured by NASA's rover. It doesn't just show rocks and dust, it tells the story of a planet once alive with powerful forces far greater than what we see today. Look at the surface here. Scattered rocks, rippled sands, and faint ridges in the distance. At first, it feels empty, but every grain of dust, every cracked stone, holds whispers from billions of years ago. This land was once shaped by rivers, carved by volcanic fire, and struck by falling asteroids. The silence you see now hides a history of chaos, change, and maybe even the first ingredients of life. Those layered rocks in the foreground are not random piles. They are records, stacked like chapters in an ancient book. Each layer tells of a different time, wetter periods when lakes may have filled valleys, and dry times when winds built tall dunes. These formations prove that Mars was never just a frozen desert. It was dynamic, changing, alive, and perhaps not so different from Earth. Now look at the darker stones scattered around. These could be basalt, born from massive volcanic eruptions. Imagine glowing rivers of lava once flooding across these plains. They hardened and still remain here after billions of years. Volcanoes tell us that Mars once had fire beneath its crust. And even today, faint tremors hint that the planet still has a quiet heartbeat deep inside. See the ripples in the sand? They are carved by Martian winds. Even though the air is thin, the winds still shift grains of sand, slowly reshaping the land. This reminds us, Mars is not frozen in time. It is still changing, still breathing in its own quiet way. On the horizon, faint ridges rise. Some scientists think these may be the remains of old shorelines or ancient river deltas. If true, then liquid water once flowed here. And where there is water, there is always the chance of life. Water is the key we search for in the universe. On Mars, every trace of it is a clue. Maybe microbes, maybe something more, waiting to be discovered. That's why NASA studies these images so closely. Every rock, every mineral, every pattern is part of Mars' climate story. Was it once warm and wet enough for life? How did it transform into the dry desert we see today? By reading this landscape, scientists are also learning about Earth's own past and perhaps its future. The big question remains. If Mars once had water, could it have supported life? We don't know yet. But with every rover mission, every image, and every grain of soil studied, we move closer to the answer. And if you could stand here right now, you'd see a vast and silent world. Alien, yet strangely familiar. Empty on the surface, but maybe hiding secrets below. Curiosity and perseverance keep moving forward. They send back more pictures, more data, more clues. Maybe one day, a single photo will hold the proof we've been searching for. Proof that life once existed here. Or maybe still survives in some hidden place. Until then, every snapshot is a message from the red planet. A puzzle piece. A reminder to keep searching, keep exploring, and keep wondering. If you enjoyed this journey into the Martian landscape, let us know in the comments. For more real NASA images and discoveries, don't forget to subscribe to Mars Lens and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you again on the next journey to the Red Planet.